Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookies on Wix website. So, first, you may want to head over to Wix and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the search bar, type in cookies and under Tools and Settings, click on Privacy and Cookies. And from here, scroll down and you can see here user centrics for Wix. So this will help us add cookie consent banner on our Wix website. All you have to do is click on add to site. So from here, all you have to do is agree and add this to your site. And the last step is to customize your cookie consent banner. So you can customize how your cookie banner will look like, its appearance, privacy trigger, text labels, language, and more settings. And once everything is done, just head over and click on save. Also, make sure that you activate your banner by toggling show banner on. And now the banner is live on your website. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!